And we're tracking more of that heat and humidity as we get into another weather alert day here on our Thursday. Taking a look at that pool forecast, though. Again, you got to get out there early. If you're going to be doing any of that strenuous activity, it's too hot to kind of be messing around with some of this later on this afternoon. That feels like temperature back into the triple digits easily. So again, we've gone ahead and issued or extended that weather alert day into today. But all that heat and humidity could actually be fueling some thunderstorms later on tonight. Here's the latest from the Storm Prediction Center this morning. And again, favoring some of our northern counties. That's as some of these storms initially kick off getting into tonight. Here's the latest look at FUTURETRACK as we go forward. We're going to be staying dry aside from maybe a spot rogue shower as we get into this morning. This afternoon, though, again, going to be looking at one of those caps on the atmosphere. I think we finally break through it, though, on the other side of about 6 o'clock. We see FUTURETRACK trying to bust through it around 7 or 8. So, again, keep that in mind. Anytime after, again, 5 or 6 is when we should be keeping an eye to the sky. But once these kick off, again, initially could pack a bit of a punch. We'll have to see where they ultimately want to end up heading as we get into late tonight, early tomorrow morning, get you up to about 1 o'clock on the latest run of FUTURETRACK. After that, I think once we get into the early morning hours on Friday, some of these should start to back off in that intensity. You can kind of see it here as we get closer toward Friday morning's commute, but still hanging on to some of those showers and thunderstorms nonetheless as we get into the final day of this work week. If we do see stuff get on the rowdy side, again, damaging straight line winds looks like it's going to be the easiest thing to pick up with some of these. Couldn't rule out, though, a little bit of large hail and some flooding potential here. These could put down quite a bit of rainfall in a short amount of time. We'll be tracking that as we get into tomorrow. I think by midday, though, on Friday, most of this should start to shape up a lot better and push off to the south. We might need to watch out for 1 or 2 more storms to redevelop by the afternoon. But again, most of that should be down by I-44 on Friday. Getting into Saturday and Sunday, here we go. This is where we get to enjoy the weather as we get into this weekend, back into the middle 80s here in mid-Missouri.